How popular fashion designers and tailors made it to the top. If you are watching this video, it means you have interest in fashion designing or tailoring. Fashion designing or tailoring, whichever way you like to call it, they both have similar responsibility. For instance, the fashion designers is more of creating new materials, while a tailor is more of repairing materials. So the line between the both is very tiny, though they have different responsibility. But that's going to be a topic for another day. Now let's go into the business. Now, when you talk about fashion designing in Nigeria, you will not skip Toyin, Veekee James, Kenneth Ize, Yomi Casual, and so many others I can't remember now. Are Nigerian professional tailors that has gone a long way with their craft. One interesting thing I found out during my research is that these tailors, they made different kinds of wear, starting from kids wears to polishment, clothes, and many others. Somebody like Veekee James, she's popularly known for her, polished gowns for the weddings and other materials. The question now is, what did they do to succeed? What did these fashion designers like Veekee James, like Yomi Casual, and the rest of them did to get popular, to push their crafts out there for a large audience to see it? What did they do? First of all, if you want to go into this kind of business, you have to get the skills. Yes, go and apply, go and register, go and start learning these skills first. Learn the skills, make sure you learn the skills very well and you understand the kind of craft you are going into. You have to understand the kind of style you are going into. Are you going for the kids wear? Are you going for the men's wear? Are you going for the females wear? You have to understand this. Then when you are done with that, you have to start partnering with people that you know that can take your career to the next level. Yes, people, when they wear your material, people ask questions, who did this, who did this, you understand? So people that they are popular, they are influential, you have to find a way to get them, talk to them, maybe pay them or something like that, or you give them your material for free and they wear it out there and people will begin to ask questions and they will now refer them to you. Then you can now make material for them and become popular. This is one of the fastest ways and you can do this through social media. Create a social media account, do it today, do it tomorrow. Don't wait for tomorrow, do it today. If you already started this, in fact, go and create an account so that you start getting customers. Start posting your work online, start posting your work on Facebook, start posting your work on Instagram, start posting your work on TikTok. You never knew who is watching. In fact, the TikTok algorithm goes a long way to push your work. Start doing this. So this is one of the things they did to succeed. And if you do this, I assure you, you are going to succeed in your fashion line.